Ever heard of a startup competing with Google? It's like a local chaiwala opening a shop next to Starbucks and suddenly everyone's lining up for their masala chai. This is kind of what's happening in the world of AI right now. We have seen massive tech giants throwing billions of dollars at building the next big AI and boom, a company you might not have heard of comes along and starts doing things differently. Hey everyone, welcome back to Coffee Chats. In this episode, we are diving deep into the world of AI, specifically a rising star making waves and challenging the established giants. We are talking about DeepSeek, a Chinese AI company that's not just building powerful AI models, but also doing things in a way that's shaking up the entire industry. To make you understand better, I'm going to split this episode into 5 sections. Number 1, what is DeepSeek? Number 2, why should we care? Number 3, the compelling story of DeepSeek's rise. Number 4, the real world impact. And finally, the exciting future possibilities. Make sure you watch till the end, and I promise you will exit the video with a detailed understanding of arguably the first buzzword of 2025, DeepSeek. Coffee Chats presents the story of DeepSeek. The AI landscape has been dominated by few big players for quite some time. We have seen impressive advancements, but concerns about accessibility and cost. Then entered the DeepSeek, almost like an underdog story. Founded in May 2023 in Hangzhou, China, they burst onto the scene with a bold mission to create powerful open source language models that are accessible to everyone. Okay, so you are in 2025 and AI is everywhere. Think about how much it's already changed from those curated recommendations on Swiggy to those personalized ads that seem to know you better than you know yourself. DeepSeek is a Chinese AI company that's trying to shake things up in this AI dominated world. They are basically building advanced large language models like the ones that power those chatbots you use, but with some crucial distinctions. First, they are focusing on making these models really good at reasoning. Think beyond just answering questions. They want AI to actually understand complex problems and come up with solutions. Like a super smart study buddy who can explain quantum physics and also helps you plan your Goa trip. Second, this is the big one. They are doing it much more efficiently than the big Western players. We are talking about training these powerful models for a fraction of cost. Imagine building a high-speed train that runs on the energy of a light bulb. That's kind of what they are doing. This cost effectiveness could be a game changer, making advanced AI more accessible to smaller companies and researchers and not just the tech giants. Thirdly, DeepSeek is all about open source. They are making their models and training methods available for anyone to use and modify. Think of it like sharing the source code for Android. It allows for a lot more innovation and collaboration. This is important in a world where AI development is often concentrated in the hands of a few powerful corporations. This could lead to a more diverse and inclusive AI ecosystem, one that reflects the needs and perspectives of wider range of people. Now, why should you care? Imagine a world where AI is more affordable, more accessible, and better at solving problems. This could mean more personalized experiences. Think beyond targeted ads. Imagine AI tutors that adapt to your learning style or healthcare apps that understand your specific needs. New tools for creators. Imagine AI that can help you write music, design graphics, or even develop your own games. Solutions to real world problems. From climate change to healthcare, AI could be a powerful tool for tackling some of the biggest challenges we face. DeepSeek's approach could democratize the access to this technology, empowering individuals and smaller organizations to leverage the power of AI. It's not just about fancy chatbots, it's about changing the landscape of innovation and potentially solving problems that were previously out of reach. Plus, it adds another player to the global AI race, which is always interesting to watch. It's definitely a space to keep an eye on because it's likely to impact your lives in ways you might not have even imagined yet. What makes DeepSeek's story so compelling is their approach. They're not just throwing massive amounts of computing power at the problem, a strategy often associated with Western AI giants. They are focused on smart, efficient training methods. Think of it like this: other AI companies are building rockets to get to the moon, while DeepSeek is engineering a super efficient, high speed train. They have pioneered techniques like chain of thought, self evaluation, reinforcement learning, and distillation, which allow them to train their models for a fraction of cost compared to giants like OpenAI. This cost effectiveness is a game changer, opening up the field to more researchers and developers and potentially shifting the balance of power in the AI race. This cost effectiveness is achieved through a combination of factors, while specific details are often kept confidential. It's understood that DeepSeek leverages efficient algorithms, optimized data usage, and potentially access to less computing resources within China. This last point is important. China has made significant investments in its domestic semiconductor industry and cloud computing infrastructure. While facing international sanctions on advanced chip access, they are developing their own capabilities, which may provide a cost advantage for domestic AI companies. DeepSeek's open source philosophy is another key to their success. They are not keeping their technology locked away, they are sharing it with the world. This fosters collaboration, accelerates innovation, and democratizes access to powerful AI tools. It also presents a challenge to the dominance of Western AI firms. Imagine the possibilities when researchers, developers, and even hobbyists globally can tinker with and improve these models. This open source approach is reminiscent of the early days of internet, where shared knowledge fueled explosive growth and potentially reshaped global power dynamics. DeepSeek's impact is already being felt. Their chatbot app quickly climbed to the top of the App Store charts, even surpassing ChatGPT in downloads in some regions. This demonstrates the hunger for powerful AI tools and also underscores the growing competition between Chinese and Western AI companies. Their DeepSeek R1 model is particularly noteworthy for its advanced reasoning capabilities, rivaling even the best models from OpenAI. This focus on reasoning, the ability to understand and solve complex problems, is crucial for the next generation of AI applications and a key area of competition in the global AI landscape. Okay, how does it impact our lives? Smarter assistants. DeepSeek's focus on reasoning could lead to AI assistants that are far more helpful and intuitive. They could understand complex requests, anticipate your needs, and even help you solve problems more effectively. Personalized education. Imagine AI tutors that adapt to your learning style and provide personalized feedback. DeepSeek's open source nature could make this kind of personalized education more accessible to everyone. Enhanced creativity. DeepSeek's models could be used to generate creative content, from writing and music to art and design. This could empower individuals to express themselves creatively in new ways. Improved accessibility. AI powered tools could help people with disabilities access information and services more easily. Imagine AI that can translate languages in real time or provide detailed descriptions of images for visually impaired individuals. Better search engines. DeepSeek's reasoning capabilities could lead to search engines that understand the context of your queries and provide more relevant results. Streamlined communication. AI could help us communicate more effectively by summarizing long documents, translating languages, and even generating personalized messages. So, what does the future hold for DeepSeek? the potential is enormous. They are not just building chatbots, they are creating the foundation for a wide range of applications. From improved search engines and personalized education to advanced scientific research and creative tools, their focus on reasoning could lead to breakthrough in fields like medical diagnosis, financial modeling, and even robotics. Of course, there are challenges ahead. The competition is truly fierce, and the ethical considerations around the development of AI are paramount. Furthermore, the political environment adds another layer of complexity. International collaborations, data sharing, and intellectual property rights are all potential points of friction in the global AI race. But DeepSeek's approach, their focus on cost effectiveness and advanced reasoning, positions them perfectly to be a major force in the future of AI. They are not just competing, they are redefining the game and potentially shifting the balance of power. Hopefully, you now have a clear understanding of DeepSeek and its potential. Now, what do you think? I'd love to hear your perspectives. And if you are new here, keep the channel subscribed. See you in the next one.